Step. I'm Professor Momo. This video is about God. Can God be defined? Of course. We already have 7 definitions, and there are as many as there are living beings all over the universe. Anyone who teaches that God cannot be defined needs to take another look at himself or herself. The fact is that there is enough reason for us to believe that in fact God can be defined, and that's what we're going to be looking at as we pursue this lecture here. Welcome again to the Dogon University of Thought. We are going to understand God. The previous page also showed you the ratio for light. That fraction is 1 over 0. Again, we can see the 0 factor where we can tell that light comes out of darkness. So here, because God is dark, black, God is pure energy. God is spirit. Spirit is dark, black. Why do we say God is black? Because your Bible says so. Genesis 1:3 says, and God said, let there be light, and there was light. So that answers your question right there. On this page, we see the very beautiful shape of the planet Earth and also of the stars. Look at the colors, the blue color and then the varying colors of the stars. Now, the question that we need to ask is, how did God produce these beautiful colors and shapes? There is definitely a science associated with it. And that is what is so important. That's what makes knowing God is so important, because we can always then associate God with the same potentials that we do have, intelligence, and we shall talk about that very soon. Thank you. Now, to prove to you that we know what we're talking about, the next page is going to show the 7 formulas that we have put together so you can actually see and understand the beauty of knowing about God. When you see these formulas, you be very comfortable with yourself in knowing that in fact you have no limitations at all, and therefore you ought to open up yourself and really love God, because God is science. Now comes the laws that govern the universe. Here we are only going to mention 7 of the many laws that are there, and you will be able to also discover the laws that are part of the universe as well. Here is law 0. Law 0 says light over darkness, and the formula is 0, 1 over 0, which means that darkness is what produces light, and therefore it's also what drives light throughout the universe. And then here we've got law 1. Law 1, it says awareness, and it says singularity all over multiplicity, which is again light over wholeness. Now we're going to go through this real fast. Then law 2 says consciousness, it says perception over understanding. Law 3 says wisdom. Wisdom says knowledge over understanding. Law 4 says concentration, and is consciousness over awareness. Law 5, knowledge, it says focus over awareness. Law 6 says understanding equals focus over patience. Now carefully look at these laws, because they are all interconnected. There there's a relationship between all the laws. None is separate from the other. There is a continual relationship, and that is what we are all about. We are all the same. We have the same interests. We have the same minds. We have the same wisdom. So we have to just respect each other if we need to live within this universe amicably. Bye.